Hello everybody. Today I will be doing a unboxing, first impressions of the new Charmed Lacquer collection. I did purchase the previous collection, which I'm very glad that I was able to purchase with this collection because she mentioned that it wouldn't be like a limited edition, and you'll see what I mean. So let's go ahead. Underneath, of course, has my information. And I flipped it over. And I'm really excited. So I think this is the one that was a previous collection. And then, information. Let's flip that out. Oh, look how cute. She even wrote my name. How sweet. Thank you. It is my invoice. Oh, I forgot I purchased other things too. My bad. I don't remember. I don't remember what I purchased. She had a few things. So I like this cute sticker. Let's see what's in here. If you hear background noise, it's either the doggos barking, the cats going off the walls, and I have a husband by me too, so you know what, let's just live on the edge. I don't think I'll be cutting anything. So what do we have here? I like that everything's very okay. So this is the Great Corn Debate, or it's called the Great Corn Debate Duel. So her question was, I believe in the video, do you like candy corn or do you hate candy corn? Because either you like candy corn or you don't. I like candy corn. You, husband? Do you like candy corn? You don't like candy corns?
Nope.
What? Really?
It's one of those candies where you,
oh my
you can
gosh.
have, but you just can't have a lot. It's
Oh,
a
wow.
good seasonal candy. You have your M&Ms, which could be used every day, that's fine. You know, M&Ms you could be eating every day, all day. But candy corn is a seasonal candy, and I guarantee you, candy corn does not get sold in July.
No. So this is for, I believe this was her Halloween collection, or
Yes,
for the month of Halloween collection, yes.
A seasonal candy.
I didn't get it.
Like robin eggs, but that's only during Easter.
I love robin eggs.
But it's
I can eat a lot
Easter.
of those, yeah.
And realistically, they're just Whoppers.
This is cute packaging though. Very adorable. Of course, she has her label on here. Seriously, very, very well packaged. Look how cute. Company? Yeah, she's a indie maker. She makes them by hand. Although I think these she had them made, but this other collection she did herself. So I know she had a company at first, but she decided to make it herself. So as you can see, they're very well packaged. I'm just taking them out. They're so cute. Look at this, my favorite color. And then of course your classic candy corn. Look at that. Isn't that adorable?
So adorable.
So adorbs. So the bottom one, it says I Taste Disgusting, which is the orange one, and the purpley lavender one is Well, I Like Me. That is so cute. Look at that. And she makes the caps and everything. Remember my crayon collection? But I couldn't do a video on that one because of some, you know, legal purposes. But if you guys want to see the crayon collection, her first collection, she does have a video on her channel. It's Charmed Lacquer. And of course, that cute detail of thank you for supporting my small business. I love it. Okay, this feels like there's something there. So I'm going to open it from, I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, so I'm going to just, I don't want to cut anything. I'm going to grip there and then operate. I don't want to cut anything. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, this is going to be off camera so the table's not shaking. My Poopy Pebs is making biscuits. So if you can hear some purrs, that's her. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Oh, look. Charmed Lacquer coffee, donut blend, medium roast, ground coffee. And of course, her website is right there. Look how cute this is. It looks like, you know. Oh, fine. You act all surprised. Oh my goodness. So we're opening up. Ta-da! As usual, very well packaged. Oh my goodness, worth every penny. Oh, they're so much cuter in person. Look how cute that is. Will they go back in there? Probably not. But I will stay with this because I think it is very cute. As well as the... Okay, so I have a few more things in here. She recently released as well. So let's take a look at this. And oh, it's so cute. This is the quick dry top coat. And it has a little, what is this? The little notebook?
Notebook, what do you mean?
Yeah, you know, from school.
Oh,
those
white and
yeah,
black
look how
notebooks.
cute that is. Oh my gosh. I feel like they have their own little characteristics. And then this one, I love the name. It's called Base Coat. Stick It. And this is a, look at the glue. Look at the glue.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Right? Very, very cute. And then she sells like the refills. So if you already have the bottles, she does sell bigger quantities that you can pour into your bottles. Okay, let's continue. I'm just admiring them. They're so cute. This one's called Café con Leche. Now I want some Café con Leche. Look at this one. I'm forcing my husband to look at them. I'm just really excited. I think they're so cute. I do appreciate that they're, again, individually wrapped. Nothing's gonna happen to them. Ooh, this is so much prettier in person. I'm gonna be honest, I had my doubts on this color. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it is like holographic, chunky holographic glitter. And oh, it's so beautiful. It is. Okay, you have to do yourself a favor and get this polish. This one's called Iced Coffee. Husband?
Yeah,
Husband approves.
looks like nice coffee.
And then this one here is Carmel Frappe. Husband.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Very cute, huh? Out of all my nail polishes, which ones do you like of indie makers? Chocolate frosted donut. Look at that. It is a black. I for some reason thought this was gonna be like a dark brown, but it is a black. It's, you can never go wrong with these colors. Husband.
Yeah, that's very cool.
My husband does not get amused very easy, but the fact that he's saying this is cool, he's being honest. And of course, your cream white vanilla frosted donut. Husband.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Look at that. You have your 2 donuts, your 3 lattes, your café con leche, iced coffee, caramel frappe, your base and your top coat, and the 2 that's outside, cars racing. Or motorcycles, one of the 2. I think it's motorcycles.
Sounds like howling.
It's a motorcycle. Freeway. So these 2. So the first collection that I did not upload is the Crayola collection. Due to legal reasons, I cannot share it. But if you want to see that first collection, go on ahead to her YouTube channel called Charmed Lacquer. And she does a video of showing them, applying them. And then her second collection is this one. And then her third collection is this one here. And then of course she took these 2 out along with this collection. So since I was picking up this collection, I picked up the other 2 that I really wanted. But I didn't want to get it because, well, you do get free shipping at a certain amount that you spend. So I thought I knew she was taking out a collection. So I figured I'd wait, which I appreciate that they weren't limited. So I felt confident that I wasn't FOMO, fear of missing out. I knew that she had our backs, and when she said she will restock, she made sure she restocked. So thank you so much for watching. I will be done. I may do a swatching video, probably. I don't know. But again, if you want to see the swatches, she has videos on her channel. I was just really excited to receive these polishes because they're so stinking cute. They're so adorable. Like how can these not make you happy? These are gonna have to be displayed. Although I don't like displaying my nail polishes to light or exposing them to light or drastic temperatures, but they're so cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling because it's already been a long video. And yes, I got everything. And again, how cute is this? Like, just so freaking cute. I will keep this. It will not be trashed. Okay, you have a fantastic day. Bye.